Tasmania is the 26th largest island in the world, the least populated Australian state with only 500,000 people. It was settled by the British in 1803 and began as a penal colony. Its economy is ecotourism, then agriculture and seafood. Approximately 48% of Tasmania has been set aside in different national parks and is the birthplace of the world's first green political party. It has been fascinating to me all my life. I've always wanted to see it because I was under the impression it was a wild place, largely untouched by civilization and home to unique, strange wildlife and incredible natural beauty with magnificent seascapes and mountain views. What did I expect?
When the first European settlers came to Tasmania, they wrote of terrifying screams in the night. They thought they were hearing devils. They were right.
Thank you. Welcome to Tasmania.
My plan is to start left and make my way around the island, stopping for interesting and beautiful places.
Okay, farmland. I'm not sure I expected farmland.
The first stop was Port Sorrell. This area is known as Tasmania's breadbasket. They grow wheat here, and of course other things as well. But I didn't expect that, to see the fields and the farmlands.
Those are grapes right there. Okay, everybody's got puppies. I like it. Okay, I'm going down here.
Next, Batman Bridge. Disappointingly, not named after the superhero, but a prominent businessman and co-founder of the city of Melbourne. It's beautiful and it connects across the River Tamar. This is the famous Tamar River Valley, the premier wine country of Tasmania. It is really not a river at all, but a tidal estuary, its whole 35-mile length. The tides can be 5 meters high. That's more than 15 feet. Next, a beautiful little spot called Lylydale Falls. And then on to Saint Helens on a beautiful road, beautiful drive.
Okay, just coming through these trees. I kind of missed it, but it's still beautiful. Miles. This is Saint Helens. Why are we here? Bridge down. The Roman sanctuary. That road was spectacular.
Thing I wanted to show you was the Bay of Fires. It was given its name in 1773 by Captain Tobias Fergtas, who saw the fires of Aboriginal people on the beaches. The Bay of Fires is a region of white beaches, blue water, and orange-hued granite, the color of which is actually produced by a lichen.